the laundry inside of the ship. It is tiny, but there are 3 washing machines on the bottom and 3 dryers on the top. Instructions on the wall, so don't wig out that it's hard to use. Put the wash in, put the pot in.
I can't shut it. Yeah, I think it's shut now.
Get a pot at the desk.
Okay, what number do you want?
So you've got cottons,
1 or 2? 2 for not quite as
minimal
hot.
iron, delicates, and woolens.
How about 2 for
Go
minimal
2.
iron?
2 is permanent press. Push number 2. Push the start button.
The start button is the gray button.
The green button. Green button. And wait patiently. And away it goes. So you get your laundry done. And then later we'll come back for the dryers. There is an ice machine here, but you have to get an ice bucket from the bar. Maybe the front desk has them, I'm not sure. And there's a iron and ironing board. I use them. They work good. Okay. Everything's good. And again, it's like a really super tiny room. So don't wig out. It is at the, go out. It is at the base of the stairs, coming down from the reception area. And it's right next to the gift shop. So when you come off the stairs, you'll see guest laundry and gift shop. Also down on this floor, as long as we're here, is the movie theater. Let's see if the door is open. It is. So there's a movie theater with no lights on, with seating for about 30 people maybe. And so they show movies periodically.
They have Uniworld polo shirts.
They have Uniworld polo shirts, huh? Show me. So yeah, if you decide you want to blow some money on jewelry or bling or anything else, yeah.
See, the very first one I think is a polo shirt.
Okay.
So let's set time for a few minutes.
What goes on down here? We have no idea how long the laundry is going to take, but we don't care.